In this segment, we're going to look at something called induction. And it's another connection between electricity and magnetism. And it's a really, really practical one, as we'll see. Now, right here, we've got a coil of wire. And Taylor, I want you to go ahead and hold the coil of wire. And then Bailey, you're going to hold these light bulbs, which are connected to the coil of wire. Okay. And the coil of wire is just, it's a coil of wire. There's a whole bunch of wire here. Right now, the light bulbs aren't lit. And the light bulbs aren't lit because there's no current in the wire. But if I could make a current inside that wire, the light bulbs would light. And what could we use to make a current inside that wire?
Magnet.
A magnet. Oh, yes, because we're talking about magnets today. Excellent choice. Now, if I take this magnet and I bring it up here, no lights lit. But now, Taylor, I want you to move the magnet.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. And go faster. Oh, yes. And you are making electricity. And any electricity you've ever used in your life, except for batteries, is made this way. And what you're doing is you're changing the magnetic field inside that coil of wire. And when you have a changing magnetic field inside the wire, faster. Oh, yes. That makes the light bulbs light. We're making electricity. We're making electricity by changing the magnetic field inside that coil of wire. That's called induction. And you know what? If Bailey wants to try one, I got one for Bailey to try. And here's what we're going to do. We're going to move the magnets. We're going to move the magnets in a different way. Right here. Have you seen this kind of device before?
Yeah.
What's this for?
Probably, I don't know.
You know what you put inside? You put inside salad, and you've washed it, and you spin it, and it dries it off. This is a salad spinner. But look at what we got connected to the inside and the outside of the salad spinner. What do you see? Magnets. So rather than moving the magnet by hand, we're going to move the magnet by salad spinner. So Bailey is going to push down on that. Taylor, go ahead and take that coil of wire, put it in next to where the magnets are. And and Bailey, keep pressing on that dial on top. Let it up. Push again. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, yeah. And what we're doing is we're making electricity. And thinking about this from energy terms, where is the energy coming from to light the lights? Who's putting the energy in the system?
Her?
Her is. Bailey is. Bailey's putting in energy. You have to work to spin that dial. The changing magnetic field makes a current that makes the light bulbs light. Oh, yes. And we're making electricity. Excellent.
Nope.